You are going to love the 2018 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.